How to reset Santander's online banking password. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can easily reset your Santander Bank's password. In order to do that, you can first head over to your web browser and simply type in Santander Bank login. Click on the first link that you see here or just directly head over to the login page. I'll just tap right here and then it will take me directly to my login page. So here you could just go ahead and enter your personal ID, your security number or PIN code to log into your account. Now, if you have forgotten your details, you can go ahead and tap on Forgotten Details down below to recover your account. Here, they will ask you your personal ID first, and then if you have forgotten your personal ID as well, you can tap here to recover it. So I'll just tap on Forgot Personal ID. You're going to have to provide your first name, last name, your date of birth, and then your UK postcode. Tap on continue. You're going to have to enter some other important details like your phone number, where they will send you a reset code that's registered to your account. Now, once you have your personal ID, just enter your personal ID here, enter your mobile number, tap on continue. You might also have to provide some of your details like your social security number or your tax number. Then you can just go ahead and continue on and create a new password. Then you can use that password to log into your account here. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.